ready for another Monster Mash episode! Remember my last one, KFC? But today, we're gonna do crap. Today, we're gonna... do random stuff to make yourself go crazy. You're gonna go crazy. Oh, did you just hear that? I just farted. Well, if you didn't, we'll do some burps, okay? Hurry up. I can sure smell that fart, by the way. Wait, I got a fart coming. Ready, guys? Ready, guys? Right in the speaker. Oh, I just farted. You probably didn't hear that. I just felt it. Please get me a YouTube partner, please. KFC. Oh, it sure smells in here now. Wait, I gotta burp. That was loud. Oh, I just farted. Look, bananas! Bananas! Can you see them in the background? Bananas. Look at this piece. You can't see it. Your mind, you're not good at Okay, now I am going to show you the trick of burping. What you gotta do, suck up all the air.
Oh, if you just blow like this.
It's better when you make a face like that and burp. And it makes it way better. Well, see you later. KFC
Loves me.